Good afternoon, everybody. Jesse of Schoolcraft Family Farmstead again. Been a while, I know. Today we're getting the soybeans out though. I've been a little sick lately. Apparently my gallbladder has got some issues. So probably gonna have to have surgery to remove that at some point. Don't know when yet. But we've started harvesting the soybeans. Uncle Larry's in the combine. I might get in it soon, but we've got part of the old red truck filled up so far, and we'll be getting the rest here soon. Hopefully we'll be able to fill up both trucks. Nice today. A little chilly, but couldn't believe the beans tested at 13.7% moisture even after the rain we got on Thursday. It rained most of the day Thursday, and they're still pretty dry. But that's because we hadn't gotten any rain in weeks prior to that. So they're coming out. At least some of them are. I don't know if we'll be able to get all of them today. I don't know if we have enough space for them. But so far the combine's doing good. After all the repairs, it ought to be, after everything that was fixed on it. But so far so good. Red truck up. well, what do you think? You like it? Just found this rain jacket in the closet, and today's a nasty day. It's a few days after we've finished the beans, but you can see, look behind me, all the beans are done. These over here on the east side of the road, they were pretty good. The stuff on the west side of the road was not so much. I was telling Uncle Larry, I really don't think they got sprayed the first time like they were supposed to. They had all sorts of vines and corn growing in them, and just weren't very good. But still, Uncle Larry, after adding it up, thinks they got around in the high 50s on bushels per acre, which I don't know. I'm a little shocked by that. I thought they would be quite a bit less than that, but oh well, they're done. Usually we don't do it like that. Usually each crop is on one side of the road or the other, but we were having some rain issues and early on, and one side of the road, one field drains better than the other, so that affected how we planted the crops. So we had some beans and corn in the field on the west side of the road, and we've actually started the corn, but that'll come in another video, and have gotten most of the corn done. You can see now I don't even have a beard anymore. Got rid of it. First part of the video that I made, I had a beard, but now I got rid of it. And don't ask Caitlin how she thinks about it, because she'll gripe and complain. She'd rather me have a beard. But anyway, it's been a nasty day. You can see, like I said, got my raincoat. I have no idea where it came from, but I found it in the closet. And I just finished up the goats, and hopefully, well, over the next, I think 3 days, it's supposed to be a pretty good cold snap, like lows in the mid-20s and highs in the mid-upper 40s. And they're talking like maybe some snow flurries for trick-or-treating on Tuesday night. So I don't really know how much Riddick is going to be out and about with that, but he's dressing up as Mickey Mouse because he's a huge Mickey Mouse fan. And we'll at least make it over to Uncle Larry and Aunt Charlotte's, because I know they'll want to see him in his costume. And then hopefully get the corn finished later this week. And we still need to bale a little bit more hay, and I'm hoping we'll be able to get that done, but we'll see. But that's all for this video. If you would please like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And watch all my videos if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate that too. Build up my viewing hours, because I need to be getting those viewing hours up. We're up to over 350 subscribers now, which is awesome, and hopefully we can continue to grow. But we'll see you next time. Have a happy Halloween and take care.